Welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to install our AVC roof deck panel system. Alrighty, in the box with any rooftop deck section kit is going to be your appropriate roof deck panel and a baggie of hardware. Because we sell many different panels, each baggie of hardware is going to be a little bit different as far as quantity goes, and the deck panel itself is going to be a little bit different size. So we make a lot of different shapes and sizes. The install is always the same. The hardware that comes in the kit is going to be one stainless steel T-nut that goes in our T-slot track. We have a stainless steel washer and a stainless steel 1/4-20 fastener. So let's get to installing. All right, step one is going to be dry fit our panel. So we're just going to take our panel, we're going to set it up on our roof rack. We're going to get it in the position that we want. So for this is a full width panel for our Ford Transit roof rack. So we have about a 1/4 inch gap on each side. I got these up. Then I'm going to take my silver Sharpie and I'm going to go ahead and mark the center of each one of my slots. This is going to help me align my T-nuts and make the install a little bit smoother. Okay. Now we can take our panel and set it aside. All right. Now that we have our crossbar marked, we're going to loosen the crossbar from one side of our roof rack. And we're going to slide our T-nuts in the end. So I'm going to take half the amount of T-nuts I have. For this, it's going to be 7. I'm going to slide these in the end. All right, now I'm going to reattach my crossbar. Now, using the marks that we made on the crossbar, we're going to slide our T-nuts into place. Now we're going to take our deck panel, put it into position, and be ready for our final install. So put it over the top, grab our hardware, start installing. All right, so we're going to take our stainless hardware, our washer, put those together. We can put a little dab of anti-seize on here. Then go ahead and install them. So I like to get them all started a little bit, then we can go through and tighten everything up after the fact. All right, now that all of our hardware is installed, we just want to go through and make sure everything is nice and snug. So we're going to snug these up. Then I like to adjust my very last crossbar nut here to go all the way out to the end, just so we're going to capture the end as tightly as possible. So with that, our deck panel is complete. We can add as many as we like to our roof rack, and we're ready to go. All right, now that our deck panels are installed, we're ready for setting up the chairs and watching the sunset. We're also ready to hard mount some fittings if we need to. So with our L-track sections, we can hard mount a connection here. We have 1/4-20 holes. We can hard mount some equipment if we need to. And of course, you can use your quick connect fittings to that on your favorite stuff. So we'll see you on the next project. Don't forget to like and subscribe.